Hey y'all, so today I've got 3 cups of rotisserie chicken, just a little less than a pound, and 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Mix that together. This is 3/4 of a cup of celery that I've sliced up super thin. It's like 2 stalks of celery. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of mayo to that. I've got a 1/4 cup measure. This is gonna be such a good casserole for the weekend. You can use up like the leftover chicken, a couple of pantry ingredients, and just make a really, really good casserole that takes you less time and is gonna make everybody super happy and super full. And that looks about 1/2 cup. Again, go ahead and mix that layer in as well. Make that cream of chicken soup even thicker with the addition of that mayo. It's gonna be so good. Okay, once we have that done, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of slivered almonds. We use the same measuring cup for that, and mix that together as well. It's almost looking like a chicken salad, but it is not. I promise this is something very different. Once that's in there, this is 2.5 cups of white rice that I've cooked up. You can use your favorite kind of rice. You can use instant if you want. You can use Uncle Ben's. You can use the kind that you boil in a bag. Long grain is better for this recipe. And you're gonna mix that in as well. Once all that is combined, just have a couple of more ingredients. Make a hole right here in the middle. Got some triple cheddar cheese. We're only gonna use 1/2 of this bag. If you want it super cheesy, you can add the whole bag if you want. Fold that in. Flatten the whole thing out. One easy layer. See, this has protein, it's got some veggies, it's got cheese and rice. It's like one meal in one pan. So easy. Once you have all that kind of flattened into one even layer, we're gonna come back and add the rest of that triple cheddar cheese right on top. And spread that around. I've got about a cup of cornflakes that I'm just gonna crush up. And then take this and spread it out all over the top of that casserole. I love cornflakes as a topping for a whole bunch of different things. Go ahead and spread that out. It's gonna be nice and crunchy. Then I've got 1/2 stick of butter. I'm gonna pour this all over the top, on top of those cornflakes. This goes into a 350-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. Take a look at that. It looks so good. Got the cheese and the cornflakes right on top. I'm gonna go ahead and take square right out of the middle. Wow, it comes out in one square. Perfect for serving. Go ahead and take a taste test of this chicken and rice casserole. It's such like a comfort food dish. Chicken and rice, that cornflake crunchiness on top is so good. You should totally make this.